In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group rows in Google Sheets, a handy feature that can streamline your spreadsheet experience and help you organize data effortlessly. First, go ahead and open the Google Sheet where you want to group your rows. You can either create a new sheet or use an existing one. It's entirely up to you based on your preference or current project needs. Once the sheet is open, prepare to get organized. Next, you'll want to identify the rows you'd like to group together. For our example today, let's focus on grouping rows 2 through 4. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to select these specific rows. You should see the selected rows being highlighted, indicating they're ready for the next step. Now that you have selected your desired rows, look towards the upper menu bar. You'll want to click on View. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to how your spreadsheet is displayed. From the drop-down, select the Group menu. Clicking this section will prompt Google Sheets to provide additional options related to grouping cells within your worksheet. You're getting closer to efficiently organizing your data. After expanding the Group menu, you'll see an option that reads Group Rows 2, 4. Clicking this option will establish a group for the rows you earlier highlighted. You should now notice a new interface feature on the left side of your sheet next to the row numbers, which signifies the presence of your newly grouped rows. With your rows successfully grouped, let's explore how to manage visibility. You will notice a minus sign adjacent to your group on the left. Clicking this minus sign will collapse the group, effectively hiding those rows from immediate view. It's a neat way to tidy up your sheet when those rows are not needed at the moment. This does not delete any data. It simply hides it temporarily. To display the rows once they have been hidden, locate the plus sign on the same interface. Clicking it spans those hidden rows open again. This is incredibly useful when you need to focus your attention on specific parts of your dataset without losing sight of the overall picture. And there you have it. You can group rows to organize large datasets, making your work with spreadsheets more efficient and ensuring your sheets stay neat and manageable. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial. Feel free to extend this knowledge by experimenting with organizing columns or trying different combinations of grouped data. Happy spreadsheeting!